the time-consuming parts of formatting is setting master pages. All right. Now, if InDesign would allow you to put space above and it would actually work, it wouldn't be that big of a deal because we could just add space above on the chapter title pages, but then you have to worry about your headers because headers should not go on chapter title pages. That's a big design no-no. So one of the things that I've always struggled with certain scripts is there are a ton of scripts out there that will set master pages based on paragraph styles, but I have never found one that works the way I need it to. And the last one that we purchased, it actually crashed my document and pretty much made the document unusable, so I've kind of always been leery to do it again. However, I never give up, so I decided to try a new one, and I will pull up the site. It's actually by a company called ID Extras. They actually have several pretty good tools for InDesign, so you should definitely check them out. But this one is called Mastermatic, and it was $57, and it was pretty easy to use once you figure out how to use their form. So I'm going to go over that today. So what I've done already, the key thing is make sure you do all your pre-formatting first. And what I mean by pre-formatting is you need to go through each page and make sure all the paragraph styles are set properly and all of your chapter titles are set. You know, if you have a first line drop cap style, make sure that's set. Make sure all of your page breaks are set, and any kind of block quotes that may be throughout the document. So basically do all the pre-formatting, but don't worry about setting master pages yet. Okay, so I have gone through my entire document and I have pre-formatted it. Even the back matter, I have done this, and I am now ready to run my script. So when you purchase a script, what you'll need to do is you'll need to download it into your user file. So what you'll do is save the file in your scripts panel. All right. So I've already done that. So to find where your scripts panel is, you just come over here, go to scripts, and because I use scripts all the time, I do have it in my workspace. Then go to user and then reveal and explore, and that's where your scripts panel, all your scripts, user scripts are saved. So here it is, Mastermatic. So when you click on the script, it pops up this screen. And we want to apply our chapter title page to anywhere where we have chapter title headings. All right, so let's quickly go through the screen. It says ignore preliminary pages through page 1. I have already set my front matter to a master, so I don't need to worry about that. Ignore pages at the end of document. I'm not going to worry about that. Apply this master to all pages except as below, which is going to be my A header in my template. Apply this master to blank pages, so I tell it to do my C. And then it says paragraph master pairs. So this is where you're going to tell it to set a page title, set a master page based on the master. This one doesn't have part numbers, so I'm going to remove that. And I do want it to set my B chapter title master wherever it sees chapter title. All right. So now that's it. That's all we have to do. So if you did have a part title page and it had a different master, you could do it here. So you would just do part title and then set the master page to it. All right. All right. So let's click on OK. And it takes a minute for the script to run. And so basically what it's doing is it's looking through your document, searching for that chapter title paragraph style, and it is assigning the B chapter title. And then because I have all chapters to start on the right-hand side, any of those pages that will be blank, because of that, it's going to assign my C master page. All right. So then it tells you what all it changed. So you click on OK. And it left all of these pages alone. And then, let's see. All right, so here's my blank page. Here's my chapter title page. And there's chapter 2 on its proper page. There is chapter 3. So let's just quickly go to the end. Oh, I have a bunch of blank pages in here. We'll have to delete those out. And I'll have some work to do to the back matter, but that's okay. That's a lot better. Yeah, see, there's still not perfection. For some reason, it didn't set these end pages, but these are an easy fix. So I'm just going to apply the A to those. But all the other pages are set, and so now I can begin my task of balancing pages. So if you are looking for a good script to try for to set master pages, which will help save time during the formatting page. Just go to id-extras.com and look for their Mastermatic product. And it works on InDesign CS5 or higher. And from my understanding, one of the reasons why some of these scripts were a little scary when Adobe went to the Creative Cloud format, is that certain scripts would not work once they did an update. But I think that has been corrected. And I didn't look to see if they offer a free download if something becomes broken in future episodes, future editions. So that may be something that you want to check out. But so far, I've been using this for a couple of books now, and it has worked pretty well. So it's definitely something to check out.